Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. Linking values. What is it exactly? So let's jump right in. Let's select some fixtures, in this example fixture 4 through 6, and we have here the link values button. This is now select to single. Let's jump in this example to color, and if I turn the red knob, then you see only the red is turning, but the green and blue will stay. If I'm now going to press it to feature, if I'm now turning the red knob, you can see the green and blue is also moving, because these values are now linked in the feature. So the dimmer value is not changing, but the full feature thing. So the red is changing with the green and blue together. So when does it help? Let's see. If I say dimmer to 100% and a position like this here. And now I want to create a delay so that the fixture 1 is doing the, or in this case fixture 4, fixture 4 is doing the first thing, then fixture 5 and then fixture 6. So if I now go to change the delay, like position, and I have the link timing to single, and I say 0 through 2, please. So now I have only changed the position pan, but not the tilt and even not the dimmer. But in this case I want to have the delay timing over the whole feature set, and not only the feature set, but the whole fixture. So in this case, I'm going to change the link timing to feature or the add filter in this case. And the add filter, if we have a look, is now set to everything. That means if I'm going now to change the position the position pan delay from 0 through 2, and I'm going to check the dimmer, so the dimmer has also changed. Let's store this into a sequence and let's have a look. Press go to the sequence. You can see the delay is also applying to dimmer and the pan and tilt values in this case. So this is linking values. You can link a variety of things. It's also helpful with phasers that you can link the add filter or the feature or only the single one. So play around with that, it is really cool. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.